This conference will now be recorded.
আজকে আমরা পড়বো হচ্ছে ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন। আমরা গত ক্লাসে পড়ছিলাম যে ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন ছিল B1 থায়ামিন, B2 রিবোফ্লাভিন, B3 নিয়াসিন, B5 প্যান্টোথেনিক অ্যাসিড, B6 পাইরিডক্সিন, B7 B9 ফলিক অ্যাসিড এন্ড B12 হচ্ছে সায়ানোকোবালামিন। তাহলে আজকে আমরা শুরু করছি ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন B1 দ্যাট ইজ থায়ামিন দিয়ে। থায়ামিন কি? থায়ামিন একটা ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন। এটা হচ্ছে সালফার কন্টেইনিং এন্ড নাইট্রোজেন কন্টেইনিং রিং attached to the carbon atom, synthesize and regulate neurotransmitters and function in energy metabolism. আমরা যদি ইন শর্টে বলি তাহলে ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন সবগুলা অ্যাক্ট এজ এ কোএনজাইম, এগুলা কোএনজাইম হিসেবে কাজ করে। তাইলে থায়ামিন প্লেজ a role in energy metabolism. Vitamin portion of thiamine pyrophosphate, thiamine যে কোএনজাইম সেটা হচ্ছে thiamine pyrophosphate, plays role in decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide and helps form acetyl CoA from pyruvate. And food source এর মধ্যে হচ্ছে white bread, hot dogs, luncheon meat, cold cereal, enriched grain and whole grain. Thiamine is found in raw fish. এই যে থায়ামিনের যে ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন গুলার কোএনজাইম ফর্ম। থায়ামিনের কোএনজাইম হচ্ছে থায়ামিন পাইরোফসফেট। In simple word, its function is decarboxylation. রাইবোফ্লাভিনের যে কোএনজাইম সেটা হচ্ছে ফ্লাভিন অ্যাডেনিন ডাইনিউক্লিওটাইড এন্ড ফ্লাভিন মনোনিউক্লিওটাইড। এটার ফাংশন হচ্ছে ইলেকট্রন ট্রান্সফার। নিয়াসিন কোএনজাইম ফর্ম হচ্ছে নিকোটিনামাইড অ্যাডেনিন ডাইনিউক্লিওটাইড দ্যাট ইজ NAD and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate that is NADP, and function is oxidation reduction. Pantothenic acid that is vitamin B5 act as coenzyme A and function is acetyl group transfer. Pyridoxine is pyridoxal phosphate, function is transamination. Cobalamin coenzyme form হচ্ছে methyl cobalamin and function হচ্ছে methyl group transfer. Ascorbic acid that is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in collagen formation. And biotin is biocytin, helps in carboxylation, and folic acid coenzyme form হচ্ছে tetrahydrofolate যেটার ফাংশন হচ্ছে মিথাইল গ্রুপ ট্রান্সফার। সো এক কথায় আমাদেরকে ওয়াটার সলিউবল ভিটামিন গুলার নাম জানতে হবে এবং তার কোএনজাইম ফর্ম গুলার নাম জানতে হবে। আমি আবার বলি, ফর থায়ামিন পাইরোফসফেট, ফর রিবোফ্লাভিন FAD FMN, ফর নিয়াসিন NAD NADP, প্যান্টোথেনিক অ্যাসিড CoA, pyridoxine pyridoxal phosphate, cobalamin methyl cobalamin, ascorbic acid vitamin C, biotin biocytin, folic acid is tetrahydrofolate. Now the recommended daily allowance of thiamine daily requirement is about 1 to 1.5 milligram per day. For adult, and for children it is about 0.7 to 1.2 milligram per day. Dietary source are cereal, pulses, well seeds, nuts, yeast are good source. Thiamine is mostly concentrated in the outer layer of cereal. Polishing of rice remove about 80% of thiamine. Vitamin B1 is also present in animal food like pork, liver, heart, kidney, milk, etc. Now the deficiency leads to beriberi. Deficiency কি? wet beriberi and dry beriberi, আরেকটা হচ্ছে কি infantile beriberi. ভিটামিন B1 ডেফিসিয়েন্সি হলে যেটা হবে সেটা হচ্ছে বেরিবেরি। বেরিবেরিকে ক্যাটাগরাইজ করা হয় তিন ভাগে, ওয়েট বেরিবেরি, ড্রাই বেরিবেরি এন্ড ইনফ্যান্টাইল বেরিবেরি। ওয়েট বেরিবেরি যেটা সেটাকে আমরা বলি কার্ডিওভাস্কুলার বেরিবেরি। This is characterized by edema of legs, face, trunk and serous cavities. Breathlessness and palpitation are present. The calf muscle are slightly swollen. the systolic blood pressure is elevated while diastolic is decreased. Fast and bouncing pulse is observed. The heart become weak and death may occur due to heart failure. That is, wet beriberi is cardiovascular beriberi and the symptom related to the cardiovascular symptom. And dry beriberi, that is the neurological beriberi. This is associated with neurological manifestation resulting in peripheral neuritis. Edema is not commonly seen. The muscle become progressively weak and walking become difficult. The affected individual depend on support to walk and become bedridden and maybe even die if not treated. The symptoms of beriberi are often mixed, in which case it is referred to as mixed beriberi. Infantile beriberi, this is seen in infant born to mothers suffering from thiamine deficiency. The breast milk of this mother contain low thiamine content. Infantile beriberi is characterized by sleeplessness, restlessness, vomiting, convulsion, and bursts of screaming due to cardiac dilatation. So our first water-soluble vitamin was thiamine. Thiamine, the source of thiamine, the deficiency disorder of thiamine are the wet beriberi, dry beriberi, and infantile beriberi. Now, what is the Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome? This disorder is also known as cerebral beriberi, is mostly seen in chronic alcoholics. The body demands of thiamine increase in alcoholism. Insufficient intake or impaired intestinal absorption of thiamine will lead to this syndrome. It is characterized by loss of memory, apathy, and a rhythmical to and fro motion of the eyeball. Now, riboflavin. Riboflavin is vitamin B2. It acts as a coenzyme in cellular oxidation and reduction reaction. Flavin mononucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide are the two coenzyme form of riboflavin. Dietary source as usual, the milk product, meat, egg, liver, kidney are the rich source. Cereal, fruit, vegetable, fish are the moderate source. এখানে অনেকগুলো एग्जांपल দেওয়া আছে যে এই রিঅ্যাকশন গুলাতে riboflavin act as a coenzyme like pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. When pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA, the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is responsible for this conversion, and in this reaction riboflavin act as a coenzyme. Now the recommended dietary allowance for an adult about 1.2 to 1.67 milligram per day. Higher intake are advised for pregnant and lactating women. And deficiency symptom. Riboflavin deficiency symptom include ileosis, glossitis, and dermatitis. What is ileosis? This is the fissure at the corner of the mouth is known as ileosis. Glossitis is when tongue smooth and become purplish. And dermatitis means the inflammation of the skin. Now the niacin. Niacin or nicotinic acid is also known as pellagra preventive factor of Goldberg. The coenzyme of niacin, NAD and NADP can be synthesized by the essential amino acid that is tryptophan. আমরা গত ক্লাসে পড়েছিলাম যে endogenously synthesized vitamins যার মধ্যে একটা ছিল ভিটামিন B3 that is niacin এবং niacin is synthesized from the amino acid tryptophan. Dietary nicotinamide, niacin and tryptophan contribute to the synthesis of the coenzyme nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. 60 milligram of tryptophan is equivalent to 1 milligram of niacin for the synthesis of niacin coenzyme. Now the biochemical function. The coenzyme of NAD and NADP are involved in a variety of oxidation reduction reactions. NAD and NADP participate in almost all the metabolism, that is carbohydrate, lipid, and protein metabolism. Selected example of enzyme and the reaction they catalyzed are given in this table. এখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে অনেক reaction যেটা depend on niacin. The coenzyme form of niacin, that is NAD and NADP. যে কোনো একটা তোমরা শিখে নিতে পারো, লাইক যখন পাইরুভেট ইজ কনভার্টেড টু অ্যাসিটাইল কোয়ে তখন কি লাগতেছে, পাইরুভেট ডিহাইড্রোজেনেজ কমপ্লেক্স এনজাইম লাগে এবং সেটাতে এনএডি সেখানে কোএনজাইম হিসেবে কাজ করে। RDA, the daily requirement of niacin for an adult is about 15 to 20 milligram, and for children it is around 10 to 15 milligram. Dietary source. Exogenous, the rich natural source of niacin include liver yeast, whole grains, cereal, pulses like beans and peanuts. Milk, fish, egg, and vegetable are the moderate sources. Endogenous, the essential amino acid tryptophan can serve as a precursor for the synthesis of nicotinamide coenzyme. Now, the deficiency symptom. Niacin deficiency results in a condition called pellagra. This disease involves skin, GI tract, and central nervous system. The symptoms of pellagra are commonly referred to as 3DS. The disease also progresses in that order is dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia, and if not treated, may rarely lead to death. Dermatitis, what is dermatitis? Dermatitis is the inflammation of the skin. Is usually found in the area of the skin exposed to sunlight, like neck, dorsal part of the feet, ankle, and part of the face. Diarrhea may be in the form of loose stool, often with blood and mucus. Prolonged diarrhea lead to weight loss. And dementia is associated with degeneration of nervous tissue. The symptoms of dementia include anxiety, irritability, poor memory, insomnia, etc. So, niacin deficiency leads to 3D, that is diarrhea, dementia, and dermatitis. And if not treated, it may lead to death, that is 4th D. And now the vitamin B6, that is pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is a vitamin and it has 3 compounds, that is pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. Biochemical function, pyridoxal phosphate is closely associated with the metabolism of amino acid, the synthesis of certain specialized products such as serotonin, histamine, niacin. Coenzyme form of the amino acid is depend on the pyridoxine. Pyridoxal phosphate participate in a reaction like transamination, decarboxylation, deamination, transsulfuration, and condensation. These are the metabolic reaction. Transamination means transfer of amino group. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Deamination means removal of amino group. Transsulfuration means transfer of sulfur group, and condensation means combination, etc. RDA for adult is about 2 to 2.2 milligram per day. During pregnancy and lactation, old age intake about 2.5 milligram is recommended. Dietary source, animal source such as egg yolk, fish, milk, meat are rich in B6. Wheat, corn, cabbage, root, tubers are good vegetable source. Tuberculosis patient on long-term use of isoniazid. Isoniazid is a drug of tuberculosis. Develop peripheral neuropathy which respond to B6 therapy. Pyridoxine deficiency is associated with neurological symptoms such as depression, irritability, nervousness, and mental confusion. Convulsion and peripheral neuropathy are observed in severe deficiency. These symptoms are related to the decreased synthesis of biogenic amines, that is serotonin, GABA, that means gamma aminobenzoic acid, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. In children, B6 deficiency with a drastically reduced GABA production result in convulsion. Decrease in hemoglobin level associated with hypochromic microcytic anemia is seen in B6 deficiency. Hypochromic means hemoglobin become less, so it become less color, and microcytic means cell become small. This is due to reduction in heme production. Now the vitamin B7, that is biotin. That is biotin. Biotin serves as a carrier of carbon dioxide in carboxylation reaction. The reaction catalyzed by pyruvate carboxylate, converting pyruvate to oxaloacetate. As a coenzyme, biotin is involved in various metabolic reactions, that is, as for example, gluconeogenesis and citric acid cycle and fatty acid synthesis. So biotin is vitamin B7 and its coenzyme form is biocytin. Recommended dietary allowance is about 100 to 300 milligram for an adult. Dietary source. Biotin is widely distributed in both animal and plant food. The rich sources are liver, kidney, egg yolk, milk, tomatoes, grains, etc. Deficiency symptom. The symptom of biotin deficiency include anemia, loss of appetite, nausea, dermatitis, glossitis, etc. Biotin deficiency may also result in depression, hallucination, muscle pain, and dermatitis. Now, the next vitamin is pantothenic acid, that is vitamin B5. Biochemical function of pantothenic acid are exerted through coenzyme A. Coenzyme A is the coenzyme form of pantothenic acid. A for acetylation. Coenzyme A is central molecule involved in all the metabolism, that is carbohydrate, lipid, and protein metabolism. It plays a unique role in integrating various metabolic pathways. More than 70 enzymes that developed on coenzyme A that depend on coenzyme A are known. Coenzyme A serves as a carrier of activated acetyl or acyl group. This is comparable with ATP, which is a carrier of activated phosphoryl group. এখানে কিছু এক্সাম্পল দেওয়া আছে যেখানে coenzyme A participate in this reaction. Like when pyruvate is converted to acetyl CoA, CoA acts as a coenzyme. When alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl CoA, CoA acts as a coenzyme. When fatty acid is converted to acyl CoA, CoA acts as a coenzyme. Recommended daily allowance is about 5 to 10 milligram for adult, and dietary source are pantothenic acid is distributed among plant and animals. The rich source are egg, liver, meat, yeast, and milk, etc. And deficiency leads to anemia, fatty liver, and decreased steroid synthesis. So deficiency leads to anemia, fatty liver, and decreased steroid synthesis. So this is the end of our lecture today. I will teach you the folic acid and vitamin B12 in our next class, and also vitamin C, folic acid, and vitamin B12 in our next class. So for vitamin, for water soluble vitamin, you need to know the coenzyme form, the dietary source, the recommended daily allowance, and the deficiency symptom. যদি তোমরা ডিটেইলসে ফাংশন পড়তে না পারো তাইলে একটা কমন ফাংশন যে it acts as a coenzyme for all it acts as a coenzyme in various type of biochemical reaction, এতটুকু পর্যন্ত বললেও চলবে, বাট যদি একটু এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে বলো তাইলে একটু ভালো হয়। সো এতটুকু পর্যন্ত তোমরা একটু পড়ো, দেন নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমরা বাকি তিনটা ভিটামিন, ওগুলা অনেক ইম্পর্টেন্ট, ওই ভিটামিন গুলা একটু আমরা ডিসকাস করব। থ্যাংক ইউ অল।
Bye.